Hi, we're FridgePal, your smart way to make the most of your groceries you already have and support sustainability at the same time.
Let's talk facts. An average Danish household throws out approximately 183 kilos of food every year, with 103 kilos of that being avoidable food waste.
At the core, here's the problem. People are wasting far too much food, and most of it is completely avoidable. Why? Because of overbuying, overconsumption, and let's be honest, laziness.
But here's the good news. FridgePal is here to help you. We've created a solution that helps you track, use, and get more out of the food you already bought, reducing waste, saving money, and making sustainable habits easier than ever.
You may ask yourself, how does it work? It is super simple. Scan your grocery receipt after shopping, track your food and expiry dates, get reminders and recipe ideas, and if you're missing something, get a Netto suggestion, and lastly, earn points for shopping at Netto.
Our target group is both large and very diverse. We reach eco-conscious households, young families, students, urban dwellers, and tech-savvy consumers, all eager for smarter, more sustainable solutions. This broad appeal positions us for strong growth and high market potential.
Our earned income strategy will come from our non-beneficiaries. In our case, our non-beneficiaries is Netto. We receive a monthly payment from Netto based on how many customers our FridgePal app brings to them. This model allows us to keep the app free for our beneficiaries. Further, our value proposition, meaning the unique benefits our beneficiaries receive, is real-time fridge overview, smart recipe suggestions, rewarding-based shopping, and sustainable habits.
To our best estimation, we will need 1.8 million kroner for our startup capital, resulting in a break-even point in year 4. We've based the calculations for our revenue and expenses on one of our competitors to Good to Go. We align the strongest with fund managers like Green Accelerator and InnoFounder. We are equally reliant on financing from Netto, our external partner.
And lastly, our call to action. We're seeking 1.8 million in investment, so please let us know if you would like to participate in reducing food waste.